Problem 2. In 2 cups there is 40% and 10% salt water. After combining, the percentage of the water that is salt water is 30%. After adding 300 grams of 20% concentrated salt water into it, the total concentration of the combination became 25%. So far there's 2 combinations. So, question. How many grams of salt water was the original 40% concentrated cup? The first step is to make one of those X diagrams that I showed you, right, in the last video. So first we have a 40% concentrated and 10% concentrated. Now if we add those together, it became 30% concentrated. So how much did it change? So from 40% to 30%, it changed 10%. From 10 to 30, it became 20%. So the final fraction is equal to 2 over 1, or 2 to 1. Now let's look at our second combination. This is 30% of the water. Remember, the 30% comes from here because this is the second time combining. And the other one that's being combined is 20% concentrated salt water. After putting them together, 25%. So if we see how much changed, this is 5%, and this is also 5%. So 5% over 5% is equal to 1 over 1. So it's 1 to 1. But I want to make sure that you know that 30% over here is 3 units of water, because as you can see, this 30 came from 2 other substances over here. And over here said that this is 300 grams of 20% concentrated salt water. So this 3 units is corresponding to 300 grams. So how many units would be, how many grams would be 1 unit? 1 unit is going to be 100 grams. So since over here this is 2 units, and we're trying to find how many grams of salt water was in the original 40% concentrated cup, that's this cup, so this top one over here, 2 units times the value of each unit, which is 100 grams, is equal to 200 grams. So, how many grams of salt water was in the original 40% concentrated cup? That would be 200 grams.